Here are some of the craziest moments when drivers crashed into police officers, starting with the most shocking case of them all. On May 2nd, 2022, while on patrol duty in their squad car, two Milwaukee police officers encountered an unexpected event when a reckless driver ran a red light, resulting in a collision that caused their vehicle to overturn.
Are you okay? I'm okay. Just hang out. Just hang out. I'm good.
Witnessing the incident, several passers-by and onlookers swiftly rushed to assist, joining additional officers who arrived at the scene. Together, they worked to extricate the trapped officers from the wreckage.
I'm good.
I've never been in a car accident.
Okay.
Just take a deep breath.
Thank you, Showstone.
Just take a deep breath. Just take deep breaths. Sorry. It's okay.
3-3, we're around.
It's okay. Just relax. Okay, try. Hey, look at me. It's
You're very close.
okay. We're okay. Stay like that. Just stay like that. I'm good. Yeah. Get her. Get Kaniki out. Thanks, bro.
Bless you, bro.
Are you alright?
Thank you. I'm good. Is she okay?
She's okay.
Despite the female officer's initial panic, the collective efforts of those present led to their swift rescue. Meanwhile, the male officer, still recuperating from the crash, was approached by an eyewitness who had observed the entire sequence of events.
I'm surprised she didn't hit me, man. That was me right there.
What happened?
She blew the red light.
Okay.
She blew the red light. That's my truck right there. Moments. I seen her. She used the squad car coming. She just fucking ran right into her.
That's it. Go right there. She blew the red light. Hey. Hold on. Hey. She's right there. She blew the red light.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, positive, bro. Look at this shit.
Just hang out here for a minute, right? I'm sorry. Hey, we got a witness right here. We got a good witness.
Both officers were transported to the hospital for treatment, along with the driver of the suspect vehicle, who also sustained injuries. Additionally, the driver faced a misdemeanor charge of reckless driving causing injury. In the following case, the officer confronted one of the most heedless drivers imaginable.
Is my car fucked?
I mean, you got some good damage here, man. Dude, stop moving.
On May 3rd, 2021, a Wisconsin law enforcement officer, while driving through an intersection in his patrol car, was struck by a reckless driver.
How's it going?
Dude, you just blew the red, man.
Yeah, no, I didn't see it.
84 negative. Are you good?
Me? Yeah, I'm good.
Are you hurt?
I just got some glass in there. I didn't know. I wasn't paying attention to the right.
Are you hurt, man?
Is my car fucked?
I mean, you got some good damage here, man. Why don't you guys step out of the car? Dude, stop moving. Dude, park the car, man.
Park the car? It is parked.
Okay, your vehicle's still moving, man. Hit your parking brake up. Can you step out, man?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, let's get you guys out of here. Come on.
Whoa.
Let's
Step over here with me.
It was evident to anyone observing that the driver exhibited signs of intoxication, including slurred speech, droopy eyes, and unsteady movements. Once the driver exited his vehicle, the officer began to inquire about the incident.
Sorry about that, man. I was in my place. I was running to my place. I had to shit so fucking bad. I think I might shit my pants, to be honest with you.
Okay. I mean, you're just not paying attention?
I was not paying attention at all.
Okay. You had anything to smoke tonight?
Me?
Anything to drink?
No.
No?
I smoked a joint like 3 days ago.
Okay.
That was it. I smoked inside in my car.
Despite the driver's claims of sobriety, insisting he had not consumed any alcohol or drugs recently, the officer conducted a search of the vehicle and uncovered a bong that appeared to have been recently used. It became clear to the officer that the driver was indeed under the influence. In an effort to obtain a confession, the officer persisted in questioning the driver.
Come over here.
Over here.
Yeah. Okay, so I want you to be honest with me. You smoked some weed today?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Pretty recently?
Very recently?
Yeah.
Probably like 2 hours ago.
Okay. How much?
How much?
Like, do you feel pretty high? Because you seem pretty high.
No, I'm not high.
You don't feel high?
No.
I see there's a bong in the car.
Yeah, I just bought it from the one place.
Okay.
Smokes for less on Southside.
Okay. So when did you smoke? 2 hours ago, you said?
2 hours ago, yeah.
At your house or where?
In my house, just at a buddy's.
At a buddy's?
Yeah.
Like south side, north side?
Southside.
Okay.
Down to the Southside smokes about a new bong.
How much did you smoke? Like, be honest.
I haven't even smoked that new piece in there.
How much did you smoke 2 hours ago?
Oh, like a couple one hitters.
A couple one hitters. Is that normal or?
Yeah, that's normal.
Subsequently, after eliciting a confession, the officer proceeded to administer a field sobriety test, which the driver failed miserably, unequivocally indicating his impairment, particularly by THC. The driver even attempted to ingest a portion of the evidence. Furthermore, he admitted to consuming illegal substances during the test, leading to his immediate arrest. Lastly, the final case, the outcome of which will shock you.
Common dude.
Fuck out, you're not.
A 21-year-old driver collided head-on with Police Unit 169. See her reaction post-crash.
1186, we just got 1386. We just got an accident here in a row.
Yeah.
Step out of the car, please.
I am.
Step out
I
of the
am.
car.
Can I call my mom?
Just step out of the car.
Okay. Oh my God.
Stay right here.
I just crashed into a cop car. They were fucking stopped in the middle of the road, and I need you. I need you so bad right now. Yes, Mom. I swear to God, I did not mean to.
Do you need medical?
No, I am fine.
In a rush, she dialed her mum to bail her out of the situation she landed in, but even this didn't deter the police from their inquiries once they secured the scene.
Is the truck yours? Yes. Okay. Have you been drinking tonight?
Yes.
Okay. How much you had to drink, my dear?
I think I have like 3 drinks.
Okay. All right. Do you want to take field sobriety tests?
I can do that, yes.
Okay. All right.
She agreed to a field sobriety test, which the officer administered, yielding inconclusive results as her performance was neither exemplary nor poor. However, when asked for a breathalyzer test, she adamantly refused, resulting in her being handcuffed and placed in the back of the patrol car. Yet, a surprising turn of events occurred when her mum, whom she had been calling since the onset of the crash, finally arrived.
Hi.
Hi.
She's okay. She's not hurt. She's like obviously like she's upset. But she's not hurt. She's okay.
Okay.
Right now we're in the process. She was drinking when the accident happened, so we're just kind of getting that all sorted out for her. But she's not hurt. She's okay.
I know.
She seems like a very nice girl.
She is. She has so much. Oh, this is gonna fall.
It's fine. My preference would be to release her to you, if that's okay with you.
Oh my God, yes.
It's just going to take a few minutes. We got to get all of our paperwork sorted out. Let me check with my boss, and as long as they're okay with that, because I don't want to take her to the jail for anything.
Oh my God.
Plus, she was
Thank
in an accident, and they're not going to take her to jail. And she don't need that. So
Thank you. God bless you.
Rather than being taken into custody, she was released to her mother and received only a citation for OVI and failure to control her vehicle in this incident.